Hi, I am Jetty Nieuwenhuis, certified IAWP Wellness Coach at True Yeti. In this video, I will help you to pick yourself up from falling off the diet wagon. The following I will cover. 1. Always have a plan for every situation. 2. Do not beat yourself up about the feeling that you fell off the wagon. And 3, acknowledge the fact that you didn't stick to your plan. Accept it, love it, and move on. It's not a failure. You are not a failure. It is actually an opportunity for personal growth. Let me explain exactly what I mean. Always have a plan. I am all about not cutting out food groups. A holistic approach for healthy weight loss. What this means in real life is fueling your body with real foods most of the time and taking a break from your healthy real foods once in a while. This can be once a week, once every 2 weeks, or maybe even every day if you're on a vacation. This is my rebel keto lifestyle with a rebel carb party. I am a bulimia and binge eating survivor, and eating too strict, 100% clean, made me sick. I need freedom in my plan, and I know that a lot among you need that freedom as well, all for long-term success. So plan your week ahead. This can look like this. Sunday till Thursday are your healthy eating real food days. And Friday night is girls' night out. Friday is the night that you can have a cocktail, fries, and a burger with bread. And Saturday will be back onto healthy real foods. So give yourself the freedom on girls' night out and eat guilt-free, shame-free, with no regrets. But then Saturday night comes around and you ate some cookies and ice cream. Now my point number 2 comes into place. Do not beat yourself up about it. Acknowledge the fact that you didn't stick to your plan of eating real foods. Accept it, love it, and just move on. Seriously, that extra food won't make you gain weight when you look at it with your 365 days of year glasses. That one day won't make a difference on the big picture, okay? Yes, the media teaches you to feel bad about yourself and make you believe that you have to hop on the treadmill for 2 hours or go and do a killer rapid burn workout. No, I'm telling you here that you don't have to punish yourself. Be kind to your soul and be kind to your magnificent body. So you have the choice to just accept it, love it, and move on. In reality, the more you stress about those cookies and ice cream, the more you actually for real will gain weight. What you seed is what you get, right? If you focus in your mind about the cookies and weight gain, you will create weight gain. If you switch your focus on a healthy body and ideal weight, that's what you will create. So don't beat yourself up about it. Move on. Get onto your healthy real food schedule again. And next week, there will be another Rebel Carb Party. So that brings me to number 3. If you feel that you fell off the wagon, here's the thing. It's not a failure, and you are most certainly not a failure. This is an opportunity for personal growth. Because you know what? If you want, you can journal about this by answering yourself the following questions. How did you feel before you reached for the cookies and ice cream? Did something maybe happen that day? Did someone tell you something mean or disturbing? Or maybe you were bored, or you felt alone, or you felt sad. Maybe you can discover why you reached for that food. And also write about how that food made you feel. Did it make you feel bad about yourself? Was the food worth it? Maybe it actually was. And again, move on. Lots of answers are hiding in those cookies and ice cream. So next time when you feel like you've fallen off the wagon, this is what you can do. Always make sure you have a plan. Do not beat yourself up about it. Be kind, accepting, and just move on. This is an opportunity for growth. Are you ready to be a little rebel like me and want to try my free 6-day Rebel Keto meal plan? By the way, day 7 is your own Rebel car party. Download it from my website, www.truejetty.com. TRUJETTY. See below. Okay, see you next time.